What's the duck doing, honey?
Cereal.
Eating cereal? Mm. What else do ducks like to eat?
Plants.
Plants.
Eat plants. Eat plants.
Do you think they eat fish?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Do you think they eat cows?
Uh-huh. Eat goldfish.
Eat goldfish. Yeah, I bet they do. What else are the ducks doing?
Buffalo. Buffalo.
Eat buffalo, huh?
Eat sea moose. Sea moose. Sea moose. Eat sausage.
Eat French fries. Does Logan like to eat French fries?
Duck eat sausage.
Duck eat French fries.
Baby duck eat sausage.
Baby duck eat French fries. Are they swimming?
Mm-hmm. Floating.
Floating.
Pooping right now.
Pooping right now? Do you want to try pooping in the potty?
No.
No? Well, I'm glad you let me know anyway.
Emma.
Other animals.
Logan. Logan.
Oh, they're going to watch you, Logan, huh?
Logan. Logan.
Are they all watching you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he's watching some. Watching.